Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video we've got a little bit of a different scenery to the usual studio that I broadcast from. We're actually in a castle and yeah, look, a little bit different scenery, but you know, the same old content. And basically what we're going to look at is narrative. Now I did a video on the podcast channel around the importance of narrative. So in today's video I wanted to perhaps go into a little bit more detail about narrative and where I kind of feel the narrative is going. So we're going to go on a little bit of a tour of the castle as I talk through narrative. So this is the castle. I mean, how amazing is this? I mean, that's pretty amazing, right? But let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about narrative. For me, narrative's really important. It drives a lot of the speculation. We've seen this with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Nick and myself were talking about SingularityNet, the actual particular project back in 2020, and we were super early, probably a little bit too early. But I think it's really important that you hold for the long term. And narrative for me is really important, and we're seeing a lot of the media drive a lot of the narrative. And what is that at the moment? I guess it's fear, it's uncertainty, it's doubt. It's basically there to try to part you with your hard-earned capital, in my opinion. But I think if you're long term, you can kind of still see through the cracks of the current narrative. And basically the current narrative is CBDCs. It's they can put a sell by date on your money, and the banks are tightening. They're stopping you from being able to purchase crypto. They're limiting the amount of crypto you can purchase and stuff like this. This is currently the narrative outside of the bullish stuff like artificial intelligence and machine learning, for example. So I think that it's really important to just look at some of the adoption. We've recently seen tokenized gold surpass $1 billion. I mean, this is monstrous. Very small market still, but Nick and myself were talking about everything being tokenized, be it tokenized stocks, be it tokenized gold, property, automotive industry. All this stuff will end up being tokenized, and I think we're seeing that. And if you're thinking about holding crypto long term, which is the only way to do it in my opinion, you've got to look for the actual underlying narrative, and that is really bullish. Now you're going to get your different narratives around I guess artificial intelligence, machine learning, Web3. You're going to get it around all sorts of different kinds of, I guess, sectors within the crypto space and stuff like that. So I think this is really interesting stuff. I think it's really important to I guess be aligned to all of this stuff. And one of the big things that I kind of expect to happen is lots of projects to use buzzwords like artificial intelligence. I kind of see any metaverse that is looking to incorporate artificial intelligence and machine learning as something that we're going to see come through as like that next iteration of narrative. So keep an eye on these sorts of things, see if you can spot the trends super early, and if you can make some serious money in the short term, but still look at it long term. I think that approach is the healthiest approach within crypto. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. What narratives do you see in cryptocurrency? And also let me know what you think of the castle. Just breathtaking, isn't it? Crazy. I guess other things that we've seen would be the likes of Ralph Lauren recently introducing their new Web3 store. I think this is in Miami, and what's really cool about this is you're seeing crypto being used for, as a form of payment. So we are seeing all of this adoption. It's really nice to see, and we're going to see more of it. It's kind of my thoughts and opinions. So just hold tight. I think that if you believe in the projects that you decided to invest in, and they're still on track, they're aligned to their roadmaps and all that sort of stuff, then I think you're golden. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Going to keep it nice and short, and next time you see me, I will be in the studio. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.